Germany stands as one of the most powerful nations in the world today because of its supreme military capability. Backed by a staggering €108 billion defense budget, the Bundeswehr commands absolute technological superiority. They possess cutting-edge stealth aircraft, heavy armored tracked behemoths, and autonomous precision artillery systems designed for total combat dominance. But are they truly prepared if a sudden Russian invasion strikes their homeland? Can the German forces withstand overwhelming mechanized hostile waves? Let us explore the definitive Germany arsenal to see if they can survive if Russia invades their country. Let's start with the main battle tanks, Leopard 2A8. This elite tank features Eurotrophy active protection alongside a massive 120mm smoothbore gun. Tank crews face invading Russian armored columns advancing across flat agricultural plains, utilizing high-velocity kinetic energy penetrators to completely pulverize heavily reinforced enemy main battle vehicle threats instantly. Leopard 2A7. Featuring modular composite protection arrays and advanced digital fire control interfaces, this platform ensures peerless combat accuracy. Vanguard regiments deploy these combat vehicles along strategic regional highways, utilizing high-resolution thermal targeting systems to neutralize up-armored hostile troop transports attempting sudden nighttime perimeter breakthroughs. Leopard 2A6. Equipped with an extended L-55 smoothbore cannon delivering massive kinetic energy, this variant dominates long-range armored engagements. Mobile defense forces rush these heavy tanks into critical bottleneck positions, unleashing powerful armor-piercing munitions that shatter invading Russian armored vehicles attempting rapid breakthroughs inside industrial sectors. Leopard 1A5. This highly agile reserve vehicle sports a reliable 105mm rifled gun paired with specialized computerized sights. Secondary defense networks reactivate these nimble platforms to engage agile hostile scout elements patrolling misty woodland zones, preventing enemy reconnaissance teams from mapping crucial northern coastal sectors. Next is the Armored Combat Vehicles, Puma IFV. This advanced infantry fighting vehicle boasts a 30mm airburst autocannon and integrated anti-tank missile launchers. Mechanized infantry brigades transport fully equipped combat squads toward burning frontline trenches, deploying rapid automatic fire to completely obliterate incoming Russian threat drones hovering directly above besieged borders. Marder 1A3, featuring a rugged steel chassis and a rapid-fire 20mm cannon, this classic vehicle provides incredible battlefield durability. Support detachments deploy these tracked carriers during aggressive counteroffensives, launching guided anti-tank missiles to halt massive enemy armored columns, attempting to overrun vulnerable logistical supply checkpoints. Gazelle 1MK. This ultra-compact air-transportable tracked platform features a high-elevation 20mm autocannon built for lightning-fast deployments. Airborne commandos drop these miniature vehicles via transport helicopters into thick pine forest ranges, unleashing rapid automatic fire to shred aggressive invading Russian paratroopers descending upon vital rear-echelon airfields. Gazelle 1TOW. Armed with heavy wire-guided anti-tank missile systems, this low-profile vehicle strikes armored targets 2 miles away. Concealed light anti-tank platoons hide these tiny platforms behind crumbling brick walls, launching devastating payloads that destroy advancing hostile armored reconnaissance columns navigating through ruined residential suburbs. Boxer MRV. This modular 8-wheeled vehicle features advanced cell-like protection designed to withstand heavy anti-tank mine blasts. Motorized units operate these versatile modules across highly volatile sectors, successfully evacuating wounded infantry personnel under intense Russian mortar barrages while navigating chaotic muddy fields toward secure medical outposts. Fennec. This stealthy, low-profile vehicle features a unique retractable sensor pod equipped with thermal cameras and laser rangefinders. Reconnaissance patrols drive these wheeled cars deep into contested borderlines, gathering critical electronic intelligence to pinpoint hidden hostile artillery emplacements tucked away inside foggy river valleys. Dingo 2. Built on a rugged Unimog chassis featuring a distinctive V-shaped hull, this vehicle maximizes landmine blast protection. Security forces utilize these mine-resistant trucks along vital supply lines, surviving sudden roadside explosive detonations while delivering essential ammunition towards besieged frontline installations under heavy hostile fire. Eagle 4. This highly mobile tactical vehicle features permanent all-wheel drive alongside a remote weapon station for defense. Command elements travel inside these agile platforms to coordinate emergency defensive maneuvers, maintaining vital satellite communications while navigating intense urban firefights across heavily contested eastern capital city districts. Enoch. Featuring a heavy monocoque steel cab, this compact vehicle delivers exceptional blast protection against tactical explosive threats. Military police units deploy these armored cars along chaotic civilian evacuation corridors, successfully repelling rogue hostile saboteurs attempting to compromise critical bridge crossings during sudden airborne operations. TPZ Fuchs. This classic six-wheeled amphibious vehicle features a spacious interior cabin paired with dual rear-mounted water propellers. Amphibious transport platoons operate these rugged carriers across turbulent inland waterways, deploying automated smoke screening systems to shield advancing infantry units from hidden enemy sharpshooters along open riverbanks. BV-206. This articulated all-terrain tracked carrier generates ultra-low ground pressure, allowing effortless navigation through deep snow and mud. Arctic warfare specialists deploy these unique vehicles across freezing mountain passes, delivering emergency winter gear to isolated radar stations overlooking vital northern maritime entry zones without triggering enemy sensors. Next is the artillery and air defense vehicles. Panzerhaubitze 2000. This self-propelled howitzer features an automated loading system and a powerful 155mm chrome-lined gun barrel. Long-range bombardment batteries position these heavy platforms miles behind friendly lines, launching precision GPS-guided explosive shells that completely decimate concentrated Russian troop formations attempting sudden tactical river crossings. Mars 2. This heavy-tracked multiple rocket launcher can fire 12 guided missiles in less than 60 seconds. Strategic artillery units orchestrate devastating saturation barrages from hidden forest positions, launching guided rocket clusters that completely obliterate hostile frontline airfields hosting incoming enemy attack helicopter fleets before takeoff. Donner AGM. This autonomous artillery module features a fully remote-controlled 155mm cannon mounted upon an agile truck chassis. Rapid response teams fire heavy payloads to disrupt hostile supply chains, utilizing the vehicle's rapid setup capability to execute swift shoot and scoop maneuvers, avoiding counter-battery detection. Flak Panzer Jeopard. This mobile air defense vehicle features independent tracking radars paired with twin 30mm automatic cannons. Air defense platoons activate these iconic systems to shield vital infrastructure, unleashing rapid tungsten fragmentation rounds that destroy low-flying Russian drone swarms during unexpected night raids over major industrial hubs. Vizel 2 Ocelot. This miniature tracked vehicle carries 4 ready-to-fire Stinger air defense missiles on a highly mobile chassis. Compact defense crews operate these tiny launchers near critical choke points, launching guided interceptors that shatter invading hostile strike fighters executing dangerous low-level bombing runs against vulnerable supply depots. Next is the military support vehicles. Scorpion Mine Layer. This specialized tracked engineering vehicle carries 6 rotating launch units capable of distributing thousands of explosives fast. Combat engineers operate these unique platforms across wide open valleys, deploying vast defensive mine barriers that successfully halt invading Russian heavy armor divisions attempting aggressive breakthroughs before reaching strongholds. B-Bear Bridge Layer. Built on a heavy tank chassis, this vehicle rapidly deploys a 22-meter solid aluminum bridge. Tactical engineering units rush these vehicles toward destroyed highway infrastructure, extending massive spans that allow retreating friendly convoy columns to cross deep tank traps safely while escaping pursuing enemy battalions. Docks Pioneer. Featuring a massive front excavator bucket and a high-capacity telescopic arm, this vehicle clears heavy obstacles easily. Engineering clearance teams utilize these rugged vehicles under intense artillery fire, removing concrete rubble to reopen vital pathways, allowing advancing friendly main battle tanks immediate frontline access. Buffalo ARV. This heavy recovery vehicle features a powerful 30-ton crane paired with a high-capacity front clearing blade. Salvage crews operate these massive platforms across active combat zones, successfully towing damaged main battle tanks away from burning crossfires back toward forward repair facilities under heavy shellfire. Laguan Bridge Layer. This modern system features advanced automated launching mechanisms capable of deploying 2 separate 14-meter bridges. Combat engineers deploy these heavy systems over wide river channels, enabling friendly mechanized battalions to launch swift, unexpected counteroffensives against entrenched hostile infantry positions along contested border areas. Keeler Mine Clearing. Equipped with a massive rotating flail system, this tracked vehicle detonates hidden explosives using heavy cast steel weights. Assault engineers drive these specialized platforms through dense explosive blockades, clearing safe pathways across active minefields to ensure infantry forces advance without triggering lethal underground traps. Next is the combat aircraft and drones. Eurofighter Typhoon. This twin-engine supersonic jet features advanced active radar arrays and exceptional high-altitude maneuverability. Elite aviation squadrons pilot these fighters to achieve absolute air dominance, launching long-range missiles to intercept invading Russian strategic bombers threatening critical national energy infrastructure during intense dogfights above cloud cover. Panavia Tornado, featuring variable sweep wings, this low-level strike aircraft excels at delivering heavy ordnance below hostile radar grids. Interdiction wings operate these combat jets executing dangerous bombing runs, releasing precision-guided bunker-busting munitions that completely obliterate fortified enemy command centers hidden deep within rugged mountain passes. F-35A Lightning. This fifth-generation stealth fighter combines advanced sensor fusion with an ultra-low radar cross-section for maximum survivability. Stealth fighter detachments deploy these advanced platforms to bypass sophisticated radar networks, executing surprise precision strikes that destroy mobile long-range ballistic missile launchers hidden deep inside forest territories. Airbus A400M. Powered by 4 massive turboprop engines, this tactical airlifter carries over 37 tons of heavy hardware. Strategic transport crews fly these massive cargo planes to deliver critical supplies, landing on improvised dirt runways under intense anti-aircraft fire to reinforce isolated frontline outposts with fresh troops. C-130J Hercules. This legendary transport aircraft features advanced digital avionics and extended-range cargo capabilities. Tactical airlift wings operate these reliable aircraft to execute midnight paratrooper drops, releasing special operations units over contested airspace to initiate surprise behind-the-lines counterattacks disrupting hostile enemy logistics supply chains. Heron TP. This enormous long-endurance unmanned system carries specialized electro-optical sensors and precision-guided munitions. Remote operators guide these enormous drones high above enemy lines, maintaining continuous laser targeting surveillance to guide precision missile strikes onto high-value hostile commander vehicles navigating regional border checkpoints during defensive actions. Luna NG. This lightweight tactical reconnaissance drone utilizes a silent electric propulsion system for covert aerial overwatch. Tactical drone operators launch these compact systems from mobile trailers, gathering real-time high-definition video feeds to identify incoming enemy mechanized columns moving swiftly through dense woodland areas towards city outskirts. Aladdin Drone. This miniature hand-launched drone provides immediate, over-the-hill video surveillance for frontline troops. Infantrymen deploy these small surveillance drones over contested urban ruins, tracking hidden hostile sniper positions located inside shattered high-rise buildings before initiating dangerous close-quarters clearing operations without sustaining unexpected casualties. KZO Drone. This stealthy rocket-assisted drone utilizes specialized infrared camera sensors to locate hidden tactical targets. Artillery target acquisition units deploy these reconnaissance assets, automatically relaying exact coordinates of hidden enemy rocket launcher positions directly to friendly self-propelled howitzer batteries for immediate devastating counter-battery neutralization. Next is the military helicopters. Eurocopter Tiger. This agile attack helicopter features a mast-mounted sight and heavy anti-tank guided missiles. Attack helicopter battalions unleash these specialized gunships against massive invading armor columns, firing laser-guided weapons that destroy heavy battle tanks, leading hostile spearheads attempting breakthroughs across open countryside terrain features. NH-90TTH. Built with a lightweight composite fuselage and digital fly-by-wire controls, this advanced tactical transport helicopter ensures maximum agility. Air assault crews conduct rapid troop insertions inside volatile combat zones, maneuvering through intense ground fire to drop fully equipped infantry squads onto strategic hilltop strongholds safely. NH-90 Sea Lion. Equipped with 360-degree search radars and advanced dipping sonar systems, this naval helicopter excels at maritime security. Naval aviation squadrons deploy these versatile platforms to search for hostile frogmen, dropping tracking buoys to detect enemy underwater saboteurs trying to plant explosives near friendly ports. CH-53G Stallion. This massive heavy-lift helicopter features 3 powerful turboshaft engines inside a spacious cargo cabin. Heavy transport aviators conduct crucial logistical airlifts delivering vital ammunition reserves, flying through dense smoke screens to evacuate trapped infantry units from surrounded forward operating outposts under continuous artillery bombardment safely. H-145M. This compact utility helicopter features a shrouded tail rotor for ultra-quiet low-altitude flight operations. Special Forces helicopter crews pilot these agile light support aircraft during night missions, utilizing advanced fast-rope systems to insert elite commandos onto rooftops of enemy-occupied communication facilities inside major cities. Let's finish with the naval warships and submarines. Baden-Württemberg frigate. This massive surface combatant features highly automated combat systems housed inside a durable, stealthy monohull. Maritime task forces deploy these advanced frigates to secure northern sea routes, launching guided missiles that neutralize hostile shore bombardment installations, threatening crucial Allied supply convoys traversing turbulent Baltic waters. Saxon frigate. This specialized air defense vessel features advanced long-range radars capable of tracking hundreds of targets simultaneously. Fleet defense units operate these highly sophisticated ships to shield naval battle groups, successfully intercepting incoming anti-ship cruise missiles to preserve transport ships delivering vital international military aid. Brandenburg frigate. Designed for anti-submarine warfare, this vessel carries specialized sonar equipment and twin torpedo launchers. Coastal defense forces deploy these ships to hunt enemy naval assets across deep channels, tracking hostile attack submarines attempting to block critical shipping lanes, executing devastating depth charge drops to eliminate threats. Bremen frigate. This classic multi-purpose vessel features a 76mm main deck gun alongside point defense missile arrays. Legacy surface combatants patrol territorial waters protecting vulnerable commercial shipping channels, firing heavy deck guns to repel aggressive enemy fast attack crafts attempting sudden hit-and-run raids against strategic port facilities. Braunschweig corvette. This agile littoral combat vessel features low radar cross-sections designed for shallow water operations. Littoral protection squadrons mobilize these agile strike ships to engage approaching hostile amphibious landing crafts, repelling unexpected seaside invasions aiming to capture vital harbor infrastructure along the domestic coastline. Type 212A submarine. Featuring an advanced air-independent propulsion system, this submarine can remain submerged for weeks in total silence. Stealth underwater detachments navigate these ultra-quiet diesel-electric boats hunting invading naval assets, firing heavy guided torpedoes that cripple massive opposing destroyers attempting sudden blockades against commercial sea networks. Type 214 submarine. This advanced submarine combines a hydrodynamically optimized hull with heavyweight torpedo tubes. Pressed into immediate frontline domestic defense duties, stealth crews intercept incoming hostile amphibious support fleets, denying enemy forces critical supply access across the contested Baltic Sea to secure regional maritime superiority. Berlin supply ship. This massive combat replenishment vessel carries thousands of tons of fuel, ammunition, and dry stores. Task Force replenishment vessels sustain ongoing naval operations far from home ports, transferring vital fuel and missiles to frontline frigates engaging enemy warships under constant aerial threats without breaking combat formations. Frankenthal mine hunter. Built with a non-magnetic hull utilizing high-resolution sonar arrays, this vessel locates hidden underwater hazards safely. Specialized mine countermeasure units clear dangerous explosives from vital naval channels, deploying remote-controlled submersibles that detonate hidden enemy sea mines to secure safe passage for incoming international reinforcement convoys. Instorf minesweeper. This operational sweeper clears massive underwater explosive networks blocking maritime shipping lanes. Utilizing advanced acoustic and magnetic sweep gear, crews deploy specialized detonation devices that trigger enemy sea mines safely away from vulnerable commercial international transport fleets, protecting vital cargo to ensure economic stability remains intact.